Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to put your own image in place of Bitmoji image when you post a question from YOLO to Snapchat. So let's go to gallery. First of all, you need a picture. Closer picture is better. So let's share it to Snapchat. And now you can see this scissor button in right side. So tap there and just highlight the area you want in your sticker. Okay, so just let it. Okay, now this is the sticker. Let's discard it. Let's exit. Now let's go back to yellow. Let's make a question. Now share it to Snapchat. Let's take a picture. Okay, now on the right side you can see the square sticker button. Tap there. Now click on this. Now tap on this scissor button. You'll see your sticker. Tap here and just bring it over Bitmoji. You can increase or decrease the size. So once you are done, you can share it to your stories. So that's all guys. Likewise, you can put your own image in YOLO question. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.